Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your primary email on LinkedIn. But first, we need to know why change your primary email. If you lost access to your old email, or you want to use your work email, or even you want to keep your account secure, and lastly, if you want to receive your job alerts or updates to the correct inbox. So to change your email, you can do this on desktop or mobile phone. If you're on your desktop, go to their website, then log in to your account, then click on your profile picture at the top, then select settings and privacy from the drop down, and on the left hand menu you will see this settings and security. All you have to do is select it. Now click email address and you will see your current email address. All you have to do to add a new email address is click on add email address, then type the new email and click send verification. Then go to your email box and confirm it. Once verified, go to your email address and click the three dot next to the new email, then choose make primary, and done. Your primary is now updated. But if you're on your phone, Android or iPhone, whatever, all you have to do is open the LinkedIn app, then tap your profile in the top left, then tap settings, which is like a gear icon, then tap settings in and security, then tap address, and then tap new address. Then all you have to do is enter your new email and tap send code. Now go to your email address and verify the code. After verification, return to the email list and tap the three dot next to the new email and select make primary, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.